Many people think that having a big personality and being on camera every second is essential to start and run a successful YouTube channel. The reality is that there are quite a few successful YouTube channels out there that are run by introverts or rather camera-shy people and perform extremely well on the platform. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. Are you looking for a side hustle? Some passive income? To get started as a freelancer? Or perhaps to even start your own business entirely from home? Whatever your needs, we provide the best guides, hints, tips and informative content for your money-making journey. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. If you are looking for some ideas for a faceless YouTube channel, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through 14 channel ideas that can help you start earning a passive income in 2022. Now let's get into it. Life hack channels. These types of videos are the real deal and often go viral on YouTube, if not always. You probably came across the YouTube channel 5 Minutes Crafts, which has over 170 million views per month. The videos they make are simple life tasks using common things that are easily accessible around your home or surrounding, coupled with a bright background. It all comes down to how you keep your audience engaged, and 5 Minutes Craft is a proof that you can earn money on YouTube without filming yourself at all. 2. Numerology channels. Another anonymous channel idea that you can start today is numerology channels. Even if you don't believe in numerology studies, you can still create content in this niche by simply outsourcing your videos. 3. Product review channel. Review videos are easy to make and have huge income potential in that. The very essence of review videos is to convert viewers into buyers. Whether you're an affiliate or you sell your own products, you can make videos and fashion them in such a way as to entice buyers. YouTube is a massive marketplace, and you'll be surprised at how much revenue you can generate this way. If you can find products, be it at home, borrow, or even as an affiliate, you can start reviewing it and make simple and informative videos. 4. Motivational channels. Motivational channels have been taking off in the last couple of years. Regardless of their duration, they generally tend to do well. Some of these videos end up getting millions, and needless to say, a lot of the times the channel owner is not in any of the videos. 5. Gaming channels. Here's yet another faceless channel you could start: YouTube gaming channels. You don't necessarily have to be a live streamer like Ninja to make good money playing video games on YouTube. You can create video compilations of some of the most insane wins, fails, and highlights from popular games like Fortnite and Rainbow Six Siege. A few smart ways to get these clips is by outsourcing them from Twitch, creating a submission page to get the content you need, or simply create your own clips. 6. Tutorial channels. As you know, YouTube is a massive search engine, and as such, billions of viewers search the platform for ideas on how to do all sorts of stuff. That said, you can start a how-to channel, detailing the steps of how to do anything that's related to your niche. It could be anything from cooking, coding, video editing, anything. It really depends on your niche. 7. Non-copyright music channels. This is also another great channel idea that gets tons of views on YouTube. Most content creators use music to add flavor to their videos, and so they need non-copyright music to avoid any legal issues. Every minute, thousands of vlogs are uploaded on YouTube, and each of them use music to spice up their videos, non-copyright songs. All you need is to find some animation video, match it with a little bit of videography that would go hand in hand with the music you publish, and you're good. 8. Food channels. If you're a foodie and you don't mind showing your hands occasionally, you might want to consider starting a food channel. Not only are they appealing to fellow food enthusiasts, but you don't ever have to be in front of a camera. If you're a college grad with a degree in hospitality or any degree related to food, this is a great way to showcase your expertise, teach different cuisines to multitudes, which translates to more views, and you could potentially make some money this way. 9. Celebrity headlines channels. Finally, you could start your own mini news channel covering the lives of celebrities. They already have huge fan bases, some numbering millions, and as such these fans want to be in the know of what's happening in the lives of their favorite people. Thanks to the internet, you can easily access information concerning these celebrities, compile it and publish it for your subscribers. It's a pretty smart and easy way to get views on YouTube. 10. Podcast channel. If you enjoy speaking, good news, you can create a podcast channel. You don't need to be concerned with visuals, all you need is a microphone and a camera. You can even record your Zoom calls. Maybe you're just funny, or perhaps you know a specific topic so well that you can speak for hours about it. You can invite famous personalities to your show and chat with them. A good example is the Tim Ferriss YouTube channel, where you can see 1 hour-long video, 2-hour-long videos, and even 4 hours long videos. YouTube adores it, and will continue to recommend your content to a larger audience for many years to come. 11. Compilation channel. Next, you can create a channel entirely based on compilation videos. You can do it the hard way or the easy way. The easier way is to use a screen recorder and record your screen. If it's a gaming channel, you can do everything yourself or do a quick review about it. But if you want to use other people's footage to make your compilations, you need the rights to use this footage, which is the hard way. 12. Unboxing. Unboxing channels are one of the most popular YouTube videos, and people love to watch them. It feels good to see someone unpackaging a product and talking about what's in there. There are literally thousands of channels doing the same thing, and they get views and subscribers. If you're good at discussing features and have some video skills, this niche will be golden. You don't even need to show your face. You don't have to stick to gadgets or smartphones. Some channels unbox toys, food packs, and shoes to name a few. How to monetize. 1. Affiliate marketing. 2. Sponsored videos. 3. YouTube AdSense. 13. TubeBuddy. Okay, so this isn't exactly a content idea, but TubeBuddy is an essential tool for anyone looking to grow their YouTube channel. Their free browser extension adds a layer of tools directly on top of YouTube's website. They provide everything you need to optimize your channel, save time, and ease frustrations. Their features include tons of productivity tools like thumbnail generators and scheduled uploads, as well as some really useful video SEO, to help your YouTube videos gain more views, and promotional tools. Benefits. 1. Productivity tools. 2. Video SEO. 3. Promotional tools. 4. Bulk processing. 5. Data and research. 14. Kitchen hacks. It is a niche-down version of life hacks targeted towards everyone who spends hours in the kitchen and wants to make their life easier. In this YouTube channel, you can recommend some gadgets or tools which makes cutting vegetables easier or cleaning hacks to keep the kitchen neat. The market is strong, and anyone who likes to cook would be your ideal audience. You can combine the cooking and kitchen hacks into a single YouTube channel. These 14 channel ideas are simple to implement and have considerable potential for long-term success. If you are looking for something to do in your spare time and earn money doing something other than your everyday life schedule, then this could be an option for you. Instead of wasting time scrolling on social media, do something that will benefit you in the long term. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about 14 easy cash cow YouTube channel ideas that get views. If you think any of these are a good option for you, get involved, and let us know which one of them you utilized in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting, remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also, subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.